Oh my god, is that a Cobra? YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy Chris Rod here. Welcome back to the channel for those of you guys who are joining in once again. And today what we're going to be doing is simply just going in for a ride along and or a little bit of POV action and whatnot of the exhaust on Venom. So we're just going to pretend that we knew exactly what I said. Fair. And if you guys are not aware of exactly what is going on and why I'm doing this particular video, I currently installed the Flowmaster Outlaw dumps onto a 98 Mustang Cobra, aka Venom. So if you want to see that particular video, click one of the cards up above. I think it's right here or over here or something like that. It'll be also down in the description below. But with that being said, I don't want to bore you guys anymore. Let's get right to the exhaust. Let's get it.
Dude, bro, this cold start.
There you guys have it. Yo, trying to record, dog. Dudes, man, they think they can just work while I'm making the video. Like, what's wrong with them, B? You know what I'm saying? But anywho, but there you guys have it. That is what the Flowmaster Outlaws sound like on a 98 Cobra 4-valve motor, and this is actually the original stock H-pipe. So once again, if you guys want to go check out the clip, or the video rather, of me installing these Flowmaster Outlaws, click the card above. It's going to be somewhere around here. I really don't know. I just don't know how this thing works sometimes, but it's definitely going to be in the description below. And with that being said, if you guys find this video enjoyable and helpful in any kind of way, be sure to leave a like. And if you want to see more of me in Venom, any more upcoming videos, don't forget to join the click by simply smashing the subscribe button, and as well as ring that notification bell. Until then, it's my boy Chris Rod, and I see all you beautiful people in the next one. Peace.